Assalamu alaikum. I am Yahya Hafid. I am 30 years old and I participate in competition IKS. And today I will show you my project. Let's go. This is my project. It's a game, and to enter in this game we have to answer a coin. The music started and we have a time score lap. The score has increased and the max is 200. And when I heard the car, we have a sound and block me. Yes. And here, when I finish, let's see. Okay, I will respawn, and in this place, how you can see, I have 1 minute 44, 1 minute 44, and something. This is the time how I finish. And if I have C to answer coin, means it. My bad. You understand? And now let's go to the code. And here how you can see it's the name of my game of project, how you like. And here is the style. It's background, color, style, lab, score, the style, the color, how you can see. And the cloud, route, home, height, score, hero, the sometimes in the game. And now let's see the image. We have image. Hero is the car I drive, and the car, the obstacle. Yes, and the finish, the sky, and some audio, the audio effect. Yes, this is my code, and I'm very happy to share with you this, and see you tomorrow.